Meaning of handspring.
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 Handspring. A handspring is a gymnastics or acrobatic move where a person propels themselves forward or backward while doing a cartwheel, and then pushes off the ground with their hands to perform a somersault. The result is a visually stunning display of athleticism and grace, often used in competitions or performances. Proper execution of a handspring requires strength, flexibility, balance, and precise timing. This move is commonly seen in a variety of sports and activities, including gymnastics, cheerleading, diving, and martial arts, as well as in dance and circus performances.